Let's be real, losing your hair sucks. You wake up, look in the mirror, and suddenly your hairline isn't where you left it. Maybe your crown is thinning, or your beard has patchy spots that weren't there before. And it's not just you. Hair transplants, prescription treatments, and hair regrowth solutions are more popular than ever because guys are realizing just how much their hair impacts their confidence. But before you start panicking or booking a consultation for surgery, slow down. There are natural, non-invasive ways to strengthen your hair, prevent further hair loss, and even encourage regrowth, all without a prescription. And the best part, the sooner you start, the better the results. So here are 6 proven ways to combat thinning hair and keep your hair looking full, healthy, and bueno. Number 1, get a haircut that works for you. Let's start with the basics. The right haircut can make a huge difference in making your hair look fuller. The worst thing that you can do is to hold on to any longer hair in thinning areas, thinking that it will cover up the problem. Spoiler alert, it only makes it more obvious. Instead, go for styles that add volume and structure. A textured crop is a great option, short on the sides with choppy layers on top to create natural volume. Another solid choice is the messy quiff, which adds height and movement to disguise areas while still keeping some length. The next time you sit in the barber chair, let your barber know that you want a style that enhances your hair's natural volume while keeping things fresh and modern. A few small tweaks can make all the difference in how voluminous your hair looks. Number 2. Style smarter. The right haircut can quickly be ruined by using the wrong styling products. If you have thin hair and you're still using heavy waxes, greasy pomades, or stiff gels, you're only making it worse. These products clump hair together, exposing areas and making your hair look even flatter. What you need are lightweight, volumizing products that add fullness and lift without buildup. Thick is a perfect styling aid for thin hair, as it's a lightweight cream that gives hair a fuller, denser appearance without feeling heavy. And if you need a little extra boost at the roots, texture powder is another secret weapon. Just a small sprinkle in dry hair gives instant lift, making your hair look thicker in seconds. Switching out your old products for these two will make a noticeable difference. Number 3, boost your biotin intake. If your hair is looking weaker, it might be screaming for biotin. The powerhouse vitamin, also known as vitamin B7, is crucial for strong, healthy hair. Without enough of it, your hair becomes brittle, weak, and more likely to fall out. Now you can try and get your daily dose through foods such as eggs, nuts, salmon, and avocados, which are loaded with biotin. But let's be honest, not everyone is eating a perfectly balanced diet every single day. That's where biotin supplements come in. Our biotin gummies are a game changer, making it ridiculously easy to get the nutrients your hair needs without thinking twice. Just pop a couple of gummies a day and you'll be supporting hair growth from the inside out. Plus, your nails and skin will look better too. Number 4, upgrade your shampoo and conditioner. If you're still using a cheap 2-in-1 shampoo, it's time to ditch it. Harsh shampoos strip away natural oils, leaving your hair dry, brittle, and weak. Your scalp needs a healthy balance of moisture to keep hair strong, and when it's stripped too often, it overproduces oil, clogging follicles and leading to more shedding and thinning. Instead, switch to a biotin-packed shampoo designed to strengthen and fortify your hair. Our volume shampoo is loaded with biotin to boost hair health, and since it's sulfate-free, it cleanses without stripping moisture too. Pair it with a hydrating conditioner like Power, which is also packed with biotin, and it will keep your hair soft, smooth, and full of life. Upgrading your shampoo and conditioner is one of the easiest ways to protect your hair and keep it thicker and stronger for the long haul. Number 5, use natural methods. Essential oils are one of the best kept secrets for fighting hair loss, and science backs it up. Oils like rosemary, peppermint, and tea tree have been shown to stimulate hair growth and improve scalp circulation. In fact, rosemary oil has been clinically compared to minoxidil, the active ingredient in Rogaine, and found to be just as effective without the side effects. That's why our growth oil is a must-have if you're serious about keeping your hair strong. Packed with Power essential oils, this lightweight formula wakes up dormant hair follicles, strengthens strands, and encourages regrowth, whether it's on your head or in your patchy beard areas. Using it is simple. Apply a few drops of growth oil to thinning areas, massage it in for a couple of minutes using your fingers or a scalp massager, let it absorb overnight and rinse in the morning, and do this 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll be blown away by the results. No prescriptions, no harsh chemicals, just natural, effective hair care that actually works. Number 6, opt for treatment if you need to. If you're totally out of options, there's no shame in considering a hair transplant. Plenty of guys, including celebrities, have gone this route, and the results can be impressive. The downside, it's expensive. In the US, hair transplant costs range anywhere from $4,000 to $15,000, depending on the procedure and the clinic. While it's a permanent fix, it's also a serious commitment that requires recovery time and a hefty investment. If surgery isn't your thing, prescription treatments like finasteride and minoxidil are FDA-approved options that can help slow down hair loss and in some cases promote regrowth. Finasteride works by blocking DHT, the hormone responsible for male pattern baldness, while minoxidil increases blood flow to the scalp to keep hair follicles active. But here's the issue, these treatments do come with side effects. Finasteride has been linked to hormonal changes in some men, and minoxidil can cause scalp irritation and shedding in the early stages. Plus, once you start, you have to keep using them indefinitely to maintain results. That's why so many guys are turning to natural alternatives like our growth oil that strengthens hair and encourages regrowth without the side effects. Here's the reality. Losing your hair as a man is a huge confidence killer. Therefore, the earlier you take action, the better your results will be. Whether you're just starting to notice thinning or already are starting to see some major hair loss, these 6 simple strategies will help you keep your hair looking thicker, stronger, and healthier as long as possible. And if you're serious about fighting hair loss naturally, start with the Pete and Pedro growth oil, the easiest, most effective way to wake up hair follicles, strengthen strands, and improve scalp health. The link is in the description.